So what's the
Alex
truth
Slater.
about watches being made in China? Well, most Swiss watches are actually made in China. And the reason the replicas often look just as good as the originals is because they're made in the same factory. Let me explain. Swiss companies do this kind of thing where they squeeze you out of the money so you think that it's Swiss made. Imagine, you imagine this bespoke factory in Switzerland with mountains in the background and artisans working hard to make your exquisite timepiece. Well, that's not actually the case. Almost every component of Swiss watches and the major brands, I'm talking about Omega, Tag Heuer, Tissot, all of these companies are manufactured in China, and they don't tell you as a consumer. So how do they get away with it, calling it Swiss made? Well, if most of it's manufactured in China, how do they do this? Well, it's a little loophole that they have in Swiss manufacturing laws, where as long as 60% of the total construction is made in Switzerland, they can call it Swiss made. But actually, how does it work in China? It doesn't take a lot of money to manufacture these watches in China. Almost all the movements are done in China. See, what they'll do is they'll take one component that costs a little bit more expensive, like the rotor, the thing that makes the watch whine, make it automatically whine. That little piece costs a little bit more, and they'll just slap that on in Switzerland, and that's 60% of the cost right there. And it also has to be manufactured in Switzerland. So what does that mean? That means they just got to put on this little sapphire crystal on there, and as long as they slap that on in Switzerland with the rotor in the back, and because it's actually engineered in Switzerland, they could call it Swiss-made watch.